Hello, I'm Yinia Zhang. Today, the purpose of the demo video is to provide UML diagram and code walkthroughs and functional playthroughs of my game. So the first one is the class diagram. So we can see the right is the player class and the chord representation of the players with the attributes like name, role, level, HP, is the healthy point, something like that. And this part is to provide with the getter and the setter methods for either assist and modification. So the monster class is similar to the player, the attribute and the getter and setter methods. And this one is the main class. So it's the include the manager player initialization and the menu displays and map choose and fact. For the relationship, the player and the monsters classes operate independently but interact during the gameplay. And this one is the use case diagram of this game. And the final one is the activity diagram of the game. They both according to the game to generate. Next part is the code walkthroughs. Here is the global variables, and the first one is the initial menu function. We can let player enter name and choose the roles of the players and set the attribute of the player, the role. If enter wrong, that will repeat in do while loop. And it is the main menu that you can choose the actions in here, and the person attribute it will show the player attribute in here, and you can choose the player can choose the map and enter the map level, and then it will show the monster data in here. And to judge the map level whether equals the 100. If equal to 100, will go to the boss level, and it will determine the damage suffered by the monster. Like if the player, the AP, the less than the monster, the DP, it will cannot to make the monster get hurt, so the HP minus 0. And however, if the monster AP less than the player the DP, that the player will not get hurt. So the player HP minus 0. And for the attack is the random is the here. It is it will random the monster's action. So it will divide it 4 conditions in here. So the first one is the command equal 1 or command event 2, which means the command equal to 1 means the player will attack the monster, and a command equal to that means the player defends the monster. And whatever the player or the monster choose the attack, they only can get hurt for the AP minus the DP a half, and if they choose the defend, they will can AP minus the whole DP, yeah, to get hurt. And the PVP effect, it will display the player and the monster AP name, and to have a choose the action of the player. And if the command entered error, it will remind you to enter again. For the result function, this function is to display the result after the combat of the player. And if the map level equals the 100, and if the player was failed, they only can get the map level times the 50, the experience. But if win, they will show the remind and pass the whole game, like the congratulations for defending, and the monster boss, you save the whole world. And it will add the map level times the 100, the experience for the player. So it's the 100. And if it's not equal to 100 and was failed, only can get the map level times the 10 experience. And if win, it can get the map level times the 50, the experience for the player. And the next is the wider up level. This function is to check if the player shoot the level up. So it will judge the player the experience the more than or equals the get max the maximum experience of the player. That will level +1 add and to receive the experience and maximum experience of the player, and to add the AP DP or the max the HP, and if not, just the receipt the HP to the full HP. And this function is the main function, and it will run all the function in here. And in this function, there are some part that you can choose what enter, and if you entered error, that will continue to the repeat. And in the do while loop, if the player enter or not meet a requirement. And then I will show the basic process of this game. So at the beginning, it will enter your name, the player name, and to choose your roles and set the attribute of the player. And it can display the player the attribute for 1 and 2, and you can enter any value to return the main menu. And if you can choose the 2 to choose the map and choose the map level 2, and you will see the monster's data and the attribute of the monster. You can start, and it will show the detailed the fat data in here. And when the player or the monster the HP was equal or less than or equals 0, that will judge you failed or you win, and return the main menu. And you will find the level, the player level was up, and the detailed attribute was changed. And until if you want to pass this game, that you need to go to the Dark Tower, the 100 level. If you can win, that you will pass this game. But if our attribute cannot fight with the 100 level boss, then it will fail. But you could still get some experience from the fight, and until you can win the boss, that you can pass this game. So I will change or alter some the player attribute to show the pass. So we can see our attribute it's huge proof, and we just fed with the 100 level boss. And our wins, and will show the congratulations of final defeating the monster boss, and you see the whole world. And you also can to return the main menu. And if you don't want to play it, you can just enter 3 value, just click the just exist the program or the game. That's all. Thank you for watching.